Hi everyone! Today is Valentine's Day and I'm making a special meal for my friend who happens to be sick and live alone. This Valentine's Day is also a celebration of me and my boyfriend's second anniversary. But unfortunately, due to pandemic, we'll have to celebrate it separately. Before this Valentine's Day, I kept asking him what he would like for Valentine's. And I would think of the things that we've been through together and what we wanted from each other and talk about our relationship. After that, I started to reflect on our life and I realized something that I never really realized before. There is someone who truly loved me way long before I met my boyfriend, even before I was born. I realized he's the one who's never disappointed me, even once. He would always listen to me when I cried and hug me during my hardest time. He never leaves me. Even when I'm mad at everyone, he's still there and he knows how to handle me perfectly. He saved my life many times and everything in my life is about him and I truly love him. But yet, every Valentine's before I met my boyfriend, I always argue with him and said like, why can't I be with someone who truly loves me? I want to be like other people who can share their love with other people. But then, today, I realized I've always had a Valentine, and he's my one true love, Jesus Christ. And since today is my 25th Valentine's Day and our anniversary, this Valentine's Day is for him. All because he has loved me first before I even loved myself or love anyone else. And now I will also share his love with every single one of you. I really hope this video will inspire everyone who watches this. God bless. Now that the meals are ready to go, all I need to do is write her a little note and hopefully it will brighten her day. I would say, hey, here's a little homemade food I made for you. Well, I hope you enjoy it and they're really delicious and I really hope you get well soon. If you wonder where do I get this little cute note, so I've been collecting this kind of stuff for a long time and I just couldn't help myself. So when I go to a mini market and I saw one, I immediately take them. And voila!